Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Binance account with the Treasure NFT marketplace. We will begin by preparing your essential crypto wallet, like MetaMask, and then securely transfer funds from Binance to it. Next, I will guide you through the simple steps to link your prepared wallet directly to the Treasure NFT platform. By the end, you will have a fully connected setup, ready to explore and engage with digital assets confidently. This process ensures secure and efficient NFT interactions. First, install a compatible Web3 wallet like MetaMask, available as a browser extension or mobile application. Set up your new wallet by creating a strong password and carefully noting your secret recovery phrase in a safe, offline location. Next, log into your Binance account. Navigate to your spot wallet and initiate a withdrawal of your chosen cryptocurrency, such as USD or BNB. Crucially, select the matching network, like BNB Smart Chain or TRC20, to ensure a successful transfer to your new wallet. Now, open your web browser and navigate to the official Treasure NFT marketplace website. Look for the Connect Wallet button, typically located in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Click this button and select your preferred wallet, such as MetaMask, from the presented options. A prompt will appear in your wallet asking for permission to connect to the marketplace. Carefully review the details and then approve the connection to securely link your wallet. After connecting, verify that your wallet address is correctly displayed on the Treasure NFT platform, confirming a successful link. For added peace of mind, consider performing a small test transaction, perhaps a minimal purchase, to ensure funds move smoothly. Always review the security settings on both your crypto wallet and the Treasure NFT marketplace to maintain optimal protection for your digital assets. With these steps complete, you are now fully prepared to explore, buy, and sell unique NFTs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.